In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted records in Salesforce using the recycle bin. Whether you've accidentally deleted an important record or simply need to retrieve information you didn't mean to lose, the Salesforce recycle bin is here to help you out. Let's walk through the process together in a clear and simple way. To kick things off, you'll want to start by navigating to the app launcher. This is the grid icon you'll find nestled in the top left corner of your Salesforce screen. Once you click on that, you'll see a search bar. Type in recycle bin. If you're new to this, think of the recycle bin as your safety net for recently deleted items. If for some reason recycle bin doesn't appear in your search results, don't panic. It might just mean that the tab hasn't been added to your app yet. In this case, you have a couple of options. You can reach out to your Salesforce administrator for assistance, or if you're comfortable, you can customize the navigation bar yourself to add it. Ensuring the recycle bin is easily accessible will save you time in the future. Once you've entered the recycle bin, you'll see a list of records waiting to be restored. Now, it's all about pinpointing the exact record or records you need back. Take your time to make sure you're selecting the right ones. When you've found what you're looking for, simply check the box right next to the item or items. This step is crucial. Make sure you check each item you want to recover. After selecting your records, you'll notice a restore button at the top of the page. Give that a click and voila, your deleted records are brought back to life like magic. It's important to note the time-sensitive nature of this feature. Deleted items will only remain in the recycle bin for a period of 15 days before they are permanently erased. Now, some extra pointers that might come in handy. Only certain types of objects such as leads, accounts, contacts, opportunities and cases can be restored directly, so be aware that this method may not apply to absolutely everything you delete. Furthermore, if the records you're restoring had related records, you might need to do some additional cleaning up post-restoration. This could involve re-establishing relationships between different records and ensuring everything is back in working order. By bearing these tips in mind and utilizing the Salesforce recycle bin efficiently, you should be able to streamline your workflow without fear of losing critical data. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're now more confident in handling deleted records in Salesforce. Don't forget to keep your data safe, and happy restoring.